All right, let's jump right in. If you're a focused learner looking to genuinely level up your career and actually secure a noticeably bigger salary by 2026, you are in exactly the right place. Today, in this explainer, we're getting real about career growth. We need to set our ultimate goal right out of the gate. We are officially done chasing random, disconnected certifications. I mean, we've all been there, right? Collecting these expensive digital paperweights that might look nice on a profile but do absolutely nothing for our paychecks. Instead, we're going to break down the absolute fastest, most direct system to learn high-income skills quickly and actually turn those skills into measurable cash.
So to make this work, we have to completely shatter an old mental model. The old way of doing things was, frankly, entirely passive. You chased random certifications, you took endless multiple-choice tests, and you basically just crossed your fingers hoping an employer would somehow magically spot your resume in a stack of thousands. Yeah, we're leaving that in the past. The new way, the actionable playbook that employers actually fund and reward, is all about building high-demand skills combined with visible, undeniable proof. It's no longer about what you simply claim you know, it is literally all about what you can prove you can do.
So here's our roadmap for today. We'll be moving through a complete 5-step system across 4 phases. Number 1, identify and learn efficiently. Number 2, build proof and accelerate progress. Number 3, monetize your new skills. And number 4, your path to 2026.
Let's kick things off with Section 1, identify and learn efficiently, targeting high-income skills.
Now, look at this list. These are not just trendy buzzwords. These 4 areas are exactly where massive corporate budgets are flowing right now. AI and automation save time. SQL and data analysis, they make sense of total chaos. Sales generates the actual revenue, and cloud computing keeps the whole shebang running. If you cross-reference the exact role you want with these 4 pillars, you're going to find out exactly where your money is hiding.
But wait, here's the catch, and it's a big one. The ultimate trap is trying to learn it all. So our pro tip? Pick one skill, just one. Commit to mastering it over the next 90 days. Seriously. Trying to learn Python on a Monday and then pivoting to copywriting on Tuesday? That just makes you a master of absolutely nothing. You need to laser target a single focus.
And here's the counterintuitive secret to actually retaining that single skill once you've picked it. The 80-20 split. Most people get completely stuck in what we call tutorial hell. They spend 80% of their time passively watching videos. We are completely flipping that script. Spend only 20% of your time on courses or YouTube. The other 80%? Get your hands dirty and build real projects. Actually doing the work is how your brain literally rewires itself to learn.
Moving right along to Section 2, build proof and accelerate progress, or as we like to call it, the proof premium.
Employers pay for proof, not just knowledge. Let that sink in, because this right here is the major narrative pivot of your entire career. Look, to a hiring manager, your theoretical knowledge is just a risk, but a working project? That is a guarantee. You need a GitHub, an Upwork history, or a live interactive portfolio. That undeniable proof is exactly what unlocks the premium paycheck.
So, to accelerate your progress into real tangible mastery, you have to commit to a daily system. Step 1, dedicate just 30 to 60 minutes every single day. Consistency is your greatest weapon here. Step 2, start building projects immediately. Don't wait until you feel ready. Step 3, teach what you learn on LinkedIn to force actual understanding. Step 4, join communities to get real-world feedback. And Step 5, guys, this is the hidden hack most people completely ignore. Ask your current company to pay for your training. You would be absolutely shocked at how much unspent budget companies have just sitting there for upskilling employees who simply have the courage to ask for it.
All right, let's get to the fun part. Section 3, monetize your new skills. Let's talk about cashing in. Based on our source material, there are 3 immediate avenues you can take to cash in on this new expertise. The first is to negotiate a raise right where you are at your current job. The second avenue, and this is a big one, is to switch companies entirely. Taking your newly built portfolio to a competitor is very often the absolute fastest way to rebaseline your market value and escape those old legacy pay scales. And the third avenue? Freelance or create digital products. This allows you to build multiple streams of income from the exact same knowledge base. And finally, Section 4, your path to 2026. Let's look at the realistic horizon.
Now, we need to be clear. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It is a highly realistic, proven trajectory. To put it into perspective, in just 3 months, you build a really strong foundation. By the 6 to 9 month mark, That portfolio of yours is actively opening doors to significantly better opportunities. And if we fast forward 12 to 18 months, a massive 20 to 50% bump in your income is entirely possible. Yes, it takes about a year and a half of focused execution, but it will fundamentally change your life.
At the end of the day, building these high-income skills is hands down the best investment you can possibly make, but it demands your focus. So I want to leave you with this final provocative thought. Which single skill are you going to start learning today? Make that decision, dedicate your next 90 days to it, and start building the proof that actually gets you paid. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer, and I seriously can't wait to see your progress.